Hello, beautiful people! When you look at your analytics in Shopify and you see how many abandoned carts you have, well, you wish they were sales, right?
Of course!
In today's video, I will show you exactly how to deal with abandoned carts and what are the best apps to use to increase sales. And stick around because more than that, I will also share with you the templates that you have to use to recover at least 10k in sales from abandoned carts, of course. Let's jump straight into my computer so I can show you what you have to do. But before that, if you're new, consider to subscribe and gently touch that like button. And don't forget about the bell. I try to post as much as I can, but you should turn on the notifications so you don't miss anything. Now let's go. So I started this store somewhere at the end of December and I have been using the Abandonment Protector app for my abandoned carts. It went pretty well, I can say, even if you can do better than that, and don't underestimate the power of email marketing. As you can see, I have lost almost $50,000 in abandoned carts, but this is not an issue at all. The good thing is that I have managed to recover more than 10k thanks to this app that costs me only $8 per month. It's pretty cool, right? As you can see, the rate of recovered orders is only 16% for now, but customers' decision to buy or not may be influenced by many factors and distractions, and maybe they came back directly to the store in another moment. Now, before I show you my exact templates, I want to dive in a little bit more in this amazing app that, in my opinion, is a very good one, especially for beginners if you don't have a specific budget to spend. So, within the Abandonment Protector app, you can send some automated emails like abandonment checkouts, new offers for abandoned checkouts, new offers for completed orders, receipts, thank you email, pending orders, purchase feedback, newsletter welcome, follow us on social network. So let's see the abandoned cart recovery emails. I have personally set these 3 emails that are automated, and the first one will be sent after 10 minutes when someone leaves something in their cart, the next one after 12 hours, and the third one after 24 hours. So let's check out the first template. What you want to focus on the first email is, of course, remembering the customer that they have left something in their cart and that you have saved the cart for them. This is like a favor, as they can complete the order faster without having to browse and search the products again. So make sure that you don't miss the customer's name, and I would suggest you to go for a professional template in this case rather than a too personal one, because they want to see that you are a serious business and you treat your customers with respect and consideration. I personally add a discount code within the first email that works the best. So you are always free to change the discount amount or to test if the email goes well without a discount. But I personally recommend you to use a 10% discount within the first email. The app allows you to choose from some nice templates for the discount to pop up, and when it comes to the colors and fonts, I recommend you to stick as much as you can with the colors that represent your store and fonts that are easy to read. So keep it simple and don't add pictures or new products that can distract the customers. In the end, you can add something like this, a PS, writing if there's something that we might help you with, or if you had trouble completing your order, just let us know. Simply reply to this email or contact us at support@ or whatever your email is. We're happy to help you. Of course, you will want to add your store's name and the social media accounts. Now let's get back and see the second template. So it will be a friendly reminder. You want to make your customers feel like they are important to you, and you just want to remind them that the discount code is about to expire. See, this is how I use a code from the first email. If you choose to not use a discount, you risk to look spammy, and if they didn't complete the order from the first email, they won't even bother to open the second email. They are expecting the same from you, a new reminder about their cart, and they are more likely to reject the email or even unsubscribe. You want to add some scarcity and urgency to your second email, so make sure you inform the customers that your products sell out very fast and you can't keep the cart active for too long. Like this, don't miss this special offer that we have for you. Our products sell out fast and we can't keep your cart active for long. Make sure you complete your purchase now and remember to use your special discount coupon. 4 hours left. Your code will expire. TikTok. It's not like the TikTok app. It's just TikTok from the clock. This is something that will make them say, oh, my products are really reserved, but they can't keep them if others want to buy, so I must hurry and place the order. The urgency is perfect for the second email and give them only a few hours to complete the order. You don't want to say that the offer is only available now, because if they open the email after one or 2 hours of receiving it, they may think that they've missed the offer and you don't want that. Again, remember to add the template for the discount code and the end of the email with the store's name and social media. Keep your abandoned cart template the same so it's easier to be recognized by the customers. Now, email number 3 will be your last chance to recover an order, and here you will add a bigger discount code like 15 or 20%. You'll want to remind them that the 10% code is already expired, but you have something really great to increase the desire to get the items they love. This new coupon will last only for 2 hours, and it's time to add new products to this email because customers may lose interest for the products in their cart. You will want to let them know that they can use the biggest discount you offered for any product, and this will increase their desire to not lose the offer. Now let me share some tips to avoid the spam folder while using this app. So the first one is to set the timing with at least 3 hours difference between. So for example, if you send your first email after 10 minutes of the abandoned cart, you will want the next one to be sent at least after 3 hours. Second, pay attention to the subject line, and here I mean that you have to not use terms like last chance, last time deal, your last chance to make up your mind, and instead use terms like your code expires today, hey, come back to us, we have something really cool, just a friendly reminder, 10% off, and things like this. In the pre-header you can add scarcity, and this will avoid your emails to reach the spam folder. Third is to test timing. In base of your targeting audience, you have to test the timing to send out your emails. So as I have told you before, if you send the first email after 10 minutes and the second one after 3, 4, 5 hours or 12 hours, if it doesn't go well, if your opening rates are not high, then you must consider to change and test the timing for your emails. Number 4 is to don't forget to add the link to return to the cart. This is very important for this kind of emails. Number 5 is to not add other items until the last email and add social media to all the emails. Number 6 is use the FOMO, which means fear of missing out at last from the second email. Now, I'll go a little bit out of topic, but it's very important to talk to you about this as well. If you sell low-ticket products, you can even add these in the abandoned cart emails, or even better, in the emails for new offers for abandoned checkouts. So don't be afraid to use scarcity, but do it wisely. Combine it with other psychological triggers such as urgency, FOMO, and best of all, power words. You'll see that it will work much better. Now let's see an example. I will be creating an email for a new offer for abandoned carts, so we pick the template and we'll try to include all of the above. I will create it as a newsletter, because I already have my other pre-designed email for new offers. I want to go for free shipping, so add urgency, like this offer will last only today, scarcity, and let's see what to do. So let's say it's okay, midnight sale, we have a discount code. Now, I don't want to give them a 15% coupon because I already gave them the 20% off in the third email for abandoned cart. So I will go for free shipping and we will click save. Okay, create a static discount. Okay, discount type, free shipping, save. Ugh. Let's say free and save. Now we will put some text because I want to add some urgency, like this offer will last only for today. Okay. Okay, here you get the point, you make it look as you want. Maybe you want to put the name, hello, or something that you want to add, but this is something that you will want to have. So urgency, this offer will last only for today. And then scarcity, let's see, we have the free shipping coupon, and then we will add, I would add here image and text or something like products in the product row, and maybe you won't want to send all your bestsellers, you will want to add only one product, let's say, or if you want to add more products. But here we will say something like this. For our scarcity, let's say we only have 50 pieces. We only have 50 pieces left. If you have one product store, I'm sure that this will be great. Okay, save. Here it's your product. Now you won't want to forget about the fear of missing out, so we will add that too. Don't miss out the most recommended items tested by millions of users. Okay. As you can see, I have already used some power words like recommended, tested by millions of users. Now what we want to do next is to make sure our subject line is good enough for this kind of email, and we want to have as many opens as possible. So write something that invokes curiosity. Depending on what you are selling, try to be emotional as well. Let's say that I am selling here a knee brace, so my subject line will be something like this: a painless solution for your hurting knees. You can add emoji if you want from here, but let's say this one, okay? And don't forget about the pre-header. Here you will put tested by millions of users. Because this is a test, you will want to see if this kind of subject line and pre-header work, and if not, you will want to add your offer in the pre-header, so free shipping today only. So even if the subject line and the pre-header line don't include anything for now about the offer, trust me, your open rate should be a lot higher than when you send an email with the subject line free shipping for the knee brace. Now I want to go back to the email, and because I want to increase my order value, I will add a free product in the offer, so free shipping. And here we will say something like get your knee brace and grab your free knee cream, for example, or something like that. But you have to make sure that the free product that you are offering won't cost you a lot. So go for products that are between $2 and $4 maximum. Also, you will want to include the reason why your clients should buy this. Not only because the product is tested by millions of users or it's amazing and millions of users have it already, so go for something more personal, like get your knee brace now because you want to live pain-free every single day. And getting back here, I forgot to tell you that you will want to offer a free product that costs around $2 to $4, as I have told you before. You will want to send this only for orders above $50, let's say. Sorry. Okay. This thing won't be that big, of course. You don't have to highlight it. Okay. Okay, so the last thing, and then we will move on because there's something else that I want to show you. You don't have to call your email midnight sale. You can call it something like double offer sale or spring sale, VIP sale, or whatever you want. You have to add your logo. You have to put some pictures. What I recommend you to do if you want to use this double offer for free shipping and a free product to increase your order value, I would suggest you to use canva.com to make a nice picture with the offer for free shipping and the free product. Of course, you will have to add your social media, and don't forget about the buttons, because you can add more than one wherever you want. You can add it here. You don't want to let it click to add it, so like visit store or something. Okay. The last thing that I want to remind you is the SMS Bump app. I have talked about it in one of my last videos, and I will include the link in the description so you can check out how to use this app for your abandoned carts as well. It's an app that I highly recommend you to use, and the best thing is that the return on investment is insane. So try to set these apps and start to recover as many orders as you can. Well guys, I think it's enough for today, and make sure you don't miss any new video that I have, because they will give you only huge value and information. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notifications if you want to see more videos about Shopify and other online businesses. See you next time. Bye bye.